শুরু করছি সর্বশক্তিমান আল্লাহ তাআলার নামে, যিনি এত সুন্দর পৃথিবী সৃষ্টি করেছেন। Assalamu alaikum, dear viewer. Hope that you are well, everybody. Today I am going to discuss about how to calculate SMV in garments industry. SMV equal to standard minute value. SMV is a term that is broadly discussed or used in garments manufacturing industry. SMV is defined as the time which is allowed to perform a job satisfactorily. Suppose that for making a product, the below assumption is there: observed time 25 minutes, rating of operators 80%, considering allowance equal to 10%. So basic time equal to 25 minutes into 80% operator efficiency equal to 20 minutes. Allowance time 20 minutes into 10% equal to 2 minutes. So SMV equal to basic time plus allowance time 20 minutes plus 2 minutes allowance equal to 22 minutes. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to see new video and share my video. Allah Hafiz.